Hiking Parker Lake. Parking is 3.8 miles from Highway 395, accessible from the June Lake Loop northern entry point. Take Parker Lake Road west to reach the trailhead at the end of the road. The hike then enters the Ansel Adams Wilderness. The difficulty rating for the hike is easy. The hike begins. The hike starts in a shadeless sage landscape. Entering the wilderness. The trail elevates to a high point. Eventually, pines start appearing. Still more open space to traverse. Then the hike gets introduced to shade. Paralleling a trailside creek. So with every step farther, the trail gets deeper into the forest. Going through an aspen grove. Approaching where the creek meets the lake. Arriving at Parker Lake. Smoky skies hovering over Parker Lake. Opting not to explore the shoreline further, it's time to head back. Seeing some more of the creek along the way. Nice area to pause for a while. The aspen leaves will be screaming yellow in the early fall. Climbing back over the high point. returning from the wilderness. Mission accomplished. The hike to the lake is a good outing for an hour or two. Continuing past the lake and into the backcountry opens up much more hiking opportunity.